CBSE, Biology, Class 12, Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook. Questions are in yellow color while answers are white. What is called the central dogma in molecular biology? The proposition of a double helix structure for DNA and its simplicity in explaining the genetic implication became revolutionary. Very soon, Francis Crick proposed the central dogma in molecular biology, which states that the genetic information flows from DNA to RNA and RNA to protein. Is there any exception in this central dogma? Can you suggest a simple name to the process? In some viruses, the flow of information is in reverse direction, that is, from RNA to DNA. And interestingly, the name is reverse transcription process. DNA to DNA, making exact duplicate copy by replication process, DNA to RNA copies by transcription, and RNA to protein synthesis by translation process. And the exception is RNA viruses making DNA from RNA. Why packaging of very long DNA within a nucleus is indeed a wonder? Considering the distance between two consecutive base pairs as 0.34 nanometers, if the length of DNA double helix in a typical mammalian cell is calculated simply by multiplying the total number of BP with distance between two consecutive BP, that is, 6.6 into 10 to the power of 9 BP into 0.34 into 10 to the power minus 9 meters per BP, it comes out to be approximately 2.2 meters. A length that is far greater than the dimension of a typical nucleus, approximately 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Isn't it a real wonder? How does 6 feet of DNA fit into the tiny microscopic nucleus in each of our cells? DNA is wrapped around proteins known as histones to form chromatin. Packing the DNA into nucleosomes condenses the DNA approximately 7-fold. It can be further organized by winding the chromatin into more compact structures. At the simplex level, chromatin is a double-stranded helical structure of DNA. DNA is complexed with histone proteins to form nucleosomes. Nucleosome consists of 8 histone proteins, around which the DNA wraps. A chromatosome consists of a nucleosome plus H1 histone. The nucleosomes fold up to produce a 30 nanometers fiber that forms loops 300 nanometers in length. The 300 nanometers fibers are compressed and folded to produce a 250 nanometers wide fiber. Tight coiling of the 250 nanometers fiber produces chromatin of a chromosome. Note that chromatin remains in nucleus of cell when it's not dividing, and chromosome appearance is seen during metaphase of cell division.
End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email given below. The question answers of this chapter will be continued in the next video of CBSE Biology Class 12.